Good day, everyone. So today you will going to learn about Swing, JLabel, and JButton. So first, what is JLabel? It is a class of Java Swing. JLabel is used to display a short string or an image icon. Label can display text, image, or both. How about the JButton? Now, when we say JButton, the class JButton is an implementation of a push button. This component has a label and generates an event when pressed. It can also have an image. Now, what is an event? It is a change in the state of an object is known as event. So let's say an event describes the change in the state of the source. Now, what is event handling? An event handling is the mechanism that controls the event and decides what should happen if an event occurs. This mechanism has a code which is known as an event handler that is executed when an event occurs. Now, let me show you an example. So let me open my NetBeans on how to create a class using the JLabel and the JButton. So on our previous lesson, I already gave you a video lessons on how to create a JFrame. So let's say I'm going to give the class name here. So let's say swing J, or this is our example for two versions of JLabel and button. Okay. Now I am going to, of course, import javax dot swing dot asterisk semicolon. Okay. And then let us have our public static void main string args. And then let us create a JFrame. Okay. So for our JFrame, so JFrame F equals to new JFrame. Okay, so see, this is our label and our JButton. So let me type here JLabel label and button example. Okay, now I am going to create a JLabel. So the syntax is JLabel, and then what the label that you want to declare here. So I'm going to declare here example label 1. So label 1 and label 2. Okay. And then for the label 1, okay, so let us have here the new JLabel. So this is label 1. Okay. And then let us set the bounds of our label 1. So for you to do this, so label 1 dot set bounds. Okay. So the size is, let's say, 50. 50, 100, and 30. Okay? Then, let us declare for our label 2. So, label 2, the equals new JLabel, and then label 2. Then, let us set our bounds for our label 2. So, label 2, that set bounds. So, 50, 100, 100, then 30. Okay? Now, let us add the object to our JFrame. So, add the object to our JFrame. Okay? So, F that add, okay, label 1, and then F that add label 2. And then let us set our size for our this label. So F that set, since I've used the F variable here, so F that set size. So let's say this is 400 by 400. Okay, and then F that set default close operation, and JFrame that exit, um, of course, on and close. Okay, and then let us set our layout to null. Okay, and then let us set this as visible is equals to true. Then let us run our program first, for me to show you on how to create a JFrame and a label. So let us run this program. So as you can see, I have here a frame and the label 1 and label 2. Now, since I've told you that these examples is for you to show you on how to create also a JButton. Now, for you to do this, so let me clear some syntax here. Okay. So let me just delete this and let us have our JButton. So import javax java.awt.event dot asterisk, and then so let us, so since I already created here JFrame, now I am going to have a text field so that when clicking a button, so it will show you on the message on that text field. So let me have here our JTextField, and then so let's say this is JTextField TF equals to, so TF is a variable, it can be changed, so whether what variable you want to choose. So equals to new JTextField, and then let us set the bounds for our text field. Set bounds And then, so let's say 50 by 50 by 120 by 20. And then let us declare here, or let us create a JButton. So JButton B, so B is a variable, you can change it. So equals to new JButton. And then what do you want to see, or what do you want to see if the user wants to click your JButton? So let's say this is click me button. So let us set the bounds of our JButton. So set bound. So let's say this is 50 by 100 by 130. Okay. And then let us have here action listener. And then new action listener. Open and close parentheses. And then open curly brace. Now public void action performed, open parentheses, action event, and then open curly brace. So our text field set text. So what if the user will click the click me button, what will be shown on the text field? So let's say hello BSIT. Okay, and then let me add here a close parenthesis, and then let us have here, okay, so f dot add, so v for us to, of course, add the button, and then f dot add our text field. So this is for you to add the text field. Okay, and then let us set the size. So let's say 400 by 400. And then f dot set default close operation. Okay, so JFrame dot exit underscore on underscore close. And then let us set the layout to null. Okay, and then set this visible to true. Now let us run our program. Okay, so here in our JFrame, so we created a label, a button, and a text field. So when you click the click me button, it will show you the text, hello BSIT. So let me click this, and it shows the hello BSIT text. So I hope you learned something new on how to create JLabel, the JTextField, and the JButton. So good luck and God bless us.